Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Naveen Tamta. I am Excel VBA. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the difference between find function and search function. So after watching this video, you will be able to distinguish between find and search function. So without wasting our time, let's move to the topic. I have a data here wherein you can see some project location of Canada has been mentioned here. Okay, and in this example I am going to use find and search function and then will tell you the difference between these two functions. So in this example, as you can see, there are different locations like Montreal, Quebec, Vancouver and Ottawa, Vancouver, like this. So I just want to extract the values wherein Montreal is mentioned. So in order to get the result, I am going to use the find function here. Find function scenario 1. So guys, I am going to use if function with find. I want to say if I want to find Montreal in this particular range, in this particular cell. In case I get this result, so what should be my value if I get Montreal in any particular cell? So I want Montreal should be returned here, else it should show me the blank value. So as soon as I hit enter, it's giving me Montreal because we have got Montreal here, but as soon as I will drag my formula downwards, guys, can you see we have got some errors here. So in order to remove these errors or ignore these errors, what I will do is I will use if error function at the start like this, and my syntax says if error comes, what should happen? I want to say if any error comes, then this should be replaced by blank. Now I have got Montreal. If I drag my formula downwards, now you can see even though we have formula here, but there is no value because error has been replaced by blank. But guys, if I drag this formula all through the way, then you see we have got the result. But if I talk about this particular cell, we have got Montreal here as well, but my formula is not giving me the desired output. Why? Because find function just find the specific word. Let's say I want to say in my scenario 2, this is my scenario number 2. If I want to say, let me just drag this formula here and I will make some small changes here. Let's say I want to say Montreal like this. So I will not get any result here because find function is unable to find the specific word in this particular cell. So if I will drag this formula, guys, now we have got Montreal here, and everything in every cell, it doesn't has not provided me any content or any output. So now if I talk about the scenario number 3, let's say I want to say this time this formula should find the Montreal word like this, because this is in uppercase, this is in lowercase, this one was, and this is in proper case. So if I hit enter again, I'm not getting any value. But if I drag my formula, now I have got Montreal in 2 instances like this. We have got Montreal here, we have got Montreal here. So guys, this is the problem. Let's say you are working on a data wherein you are facing such kind of issue. So this issue can be easily dealt by search function. Now if I use search functionality here, just have a look. I will say if error, then if. Now I want to use search. The syntax for search function is similar to find, but there is a slight difference. Search function is case sensitive. It gives you the correct output no matter what kind of data you are having in a particular column. So now I am just giving the reference of this cell. I just want to say I am finding Montreal like this. Okay, where in this particular cell 1. Now I want to say if it gets the result, like if it's finding Montreal in this particular cell or in this particular column, so it should return Montreal, else blank, or in case any error comes, then this should also be replaced by blank. Now I am hitting enter guys, and if I drag this formula, now if you will have a look at the blank values, let me just filter this one. I am just selecting the blank values, so you will not find any any cell which is containing Montreal keyword. This is Quebec, this is Vancouver, then Toronto, Edmonton, Ottawa, and Vancouver. So you have not, and in case if I talk about the Montreal keyword only, so I have got the Montreal keyword all through the way. Can you see here we have not got any result in this particular scenario, but we had got this here. Same is the case with this. The Montreal is in lowercase, but we have got the desired output. And here in this case, this is in proper format, but again we are getting here. But in find function, you have to repeat your action in 3 ways. So all these 3 actions are replaced in one function, which is search. So guys, it depends on the situation. Whenever you are dealing with such kind of situation, so just keep in mind search function is far better than the find function. But again I will say this depends on the situation only. Okay, so I hope you have liked this video. If you have learned something from this video, guys, please hit like and share with your friends. As of now, I'm signing off. Bye bye, take care, and Jai Hind.